Just imagine, like, like with functional programming, it's like you have to talk to one person, right? So you just, because he has the information, right? But with traditional programming, you have I don't know, like hundreds of people, and you have to talk to each other, to each single person.
So what, like Chinese whispers?
Yeah, kind of. So you just get lost, like in all the dependencies and information. So I think this was said by someone else, but I always keep saying, like, you have to be a very smart person, like almost like a genius, to not to make mistakes when you're not using functional programming, because you have to hold so many things in your head, right? Okay. So I just like simplicity, and the things that make my life easier, and that's one of the biggest selling points, that if you just follow these basic functional programming rules or paradigms, then like a whole set of bugs is just not possible to happen in your program.
So the simplicity keeps it purer, or?
Yeah, you just I mean, you just have to. You don't have to keep as many things in your head. Like it's a bit hard to explain without actually doing it, right, or trying it for yourself, but.
And then I think you got the opportunity to actually do functional programming commercially.